Hi, in this video I'm going to explain number 17 on page 146 of the pre-calculus textbook. So in number 17 we want to find the doubling time of a population that's modeled by the equation p equals p naught times e to the 0.2 t power. Now the first thing that might be a little bit confusing is this p naught here. So p naught is just a number that represents a population at a time of 0. So it could be thought of as the starting value of this exponential equation. Now since we are looking for the doubling time, to double means to have twice as many or 2 times as many as you started out with. So what we're going to do to solve for this problem is we will let p, which is an output, we will let p be 2 times p naught. So that will give us 2 times our starting value, which is the same thing as double the population. So 2 times p naught is equal to p naught times e to the 0.2 t power. Now that we have our equation set up, all we have to do is solve for t, which is what we want in this problem. We're looking for the time that it takes for the population to double. So we will go ahead and use some algebra and logarithmic properties. One thing to note is that since we have e, which is Euler's constant, we are going to be using natural logs to solve for this. But let's get started with the first step. So the first step is notice that we have 2 times p naught is equal to p naught times e to the 0.2 t power. So we both have p naught, and they're both multiplied on either side. So we can undo p naught by dividing p naught from both sides. And now we are left with 2 is equal to e to the 0.2 t power. At this point, we have e to a power, so we should, in order to solve for t, we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So we'll take natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of e to the 0.2 t power. And now we can take that power on the right side out in front, because that's a property of logarithms and not natural logarithms. So I'll rewrite this as 0.2 t is equal, 0.2 t times the natural log of e, and that's equal to natural log of 2. And then finally, well, not finally, but natural log of e is the same thing as 1, so that simplifies to 1 and we can cross that off. And then we're going to finish this up by dividing both sides by 0.2 to get t by itself. And then we get that t is equal to natural log of 2 divided by 0.2. And if you type that into your calculator, you will find that that number comes out to be approximately, t is approximately 3.466. And since that's approximately, we should really have these be the approximately sign instead of an actual equals sign. The one thing in this problem is that it doesn't tell us if t is minutes or hours or days, so we just say that t is 3.466 units of time, whatever that might be in this problem. And we have solved or answered this problem for number 17 in your calculus or pre-calculus textbook, page 146. Thanks for watching.